Hello everyone, welcome back to another stock analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share 10 stocks that you can trade tomorrow for intraday. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of Hero MotoCorp, and I had shared this analysis yesterday as well, but it didn't give a breakout yet, so I'm sharing it again. As you can see, it's near 200 EMA also, and it's also at a trend line, right? This is a pole and this is a flag, so this is a flag and pole pattern. Once it breaks the pattern, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your first target and this level as your second target. Okay. And once it closes below 200 EMA, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your first target and this as your second target. Okay. Very simple, totally based on price action. As you can see, it's a pattern, and you're just going to take a trade, on either side of the price breakout. So that is how you're going to do it. Moving on to the next one, we have Mahindra and Mahindra. As you can see, it has been consolidating in a box, right? So again, like I always say, consolidation breakouts are my favorite. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break out. If it breaks out from the top, you can consider one or two pivot level as your target. 1% target, like I always say, is enough for intraday, and for short side I can see this as a level. Okay, but I think this is too big. I'll just check. 3% is very big. So what you can do is you can just consider this level as your first target. Okay, you can consider this level, or you can also consider pivot level as a target. Since you don't have any price action levels over here, I just considered that closing of this candle, but the opening of this candle, I'm so sorry. So basically you can consider pivot also as a target. For top side, you can consider pivot. One or two pivot is enough, and 1% target is enough for intraday. Next we have Dabur over here. Okay, Dabur is also on 200 EMA, and it has been consolidating in this range, right? You can see the consolidation in this range. So again, a trade can be taken after it breaks out. Once, if it breaks out from the top, you can take a long entry. I'll just check how big this is, and this is very big. So what we can do is we can consider this level as our target. Is this too short? Yes, wait. This level can be the first target, and this can be the final target. Okay, for short side, if it sustains below this level, we can consider this level as the final target, and this level we can consider as the first target. Okay, so this is it for Dabur. Moving on to the next one, we have Oro Pharma. As you can see, for long side, I wouldn't really suggest anyone to take a long trade before this. Once it closes above this level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as the first target. Okay, I think is this enough? Yes, 1% is enough, and you can consider the next pivot level, because this level would be too big for a target. And for short side, see, we can see a level over here, right? So once it closes below this level, and 200 EMA short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your short target. Okay, very simple. Moving on to the next one, we have Tata Power over here. Tata Power, yes, again you can see a consolidation, right? And like I always say, consolidation breakouts are my favorite. So once it closes above this level, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your long target, 1% profit. Just in case you want to hold it further, you can hold it till this level also. If it closes below this level, you can take a short trade, and you can, okay, we do have a level. You can consider this level as a first target, and this level as your final target. Okay, this is it for Tata Power. Moving on to the next one, we have NTPC. Okay, so NTPC, look here. We do have a support over here, and you can see it has formed a wick over here. So this can be considered the first bottom, this can be considered the second bottom. So I'm only going to give it for a long side. If you see a strong bullish sign over here, you can definitely go for a long entry. And for target, either, yes, this level looks for the first target, this level looks perfect for the second target. Okay, for short side, I wouldn't really recommend anyone taking a short trade, because this looks better this way, right? Because first bottom, second bottom. So, and this is the neckline. You can consider the target till the neckline. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have BPCL. Okay, BPCL is also at a support level, and we also have 200 year EMA here. So once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target. 1.4% perfect for intraday. Okay, consider if you want to hold it further, you can hold it till this level. And for long side, no, long side I don't really see a very good trade. Not below, it closes below, above this level, not below this level. So long side, only if it closes above this level you can take an entry, you can consider this level as your target. Okay, but short side looks much better for BPCL. Moving on to the next one, we have Reliance. Okay, Reliance, as you can see, it has giving a strong rally. So what we can do is we can take a trade on a reversal, right? If we consider this, look, we do have a trend line and we do have a level also. So once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target. I'll just check. Perfect, 1.3% perfect for intraday. If you can hold it further, you can hold it till this level also. Okay, but this target is also enough for intraday. Moving on to the next one, we have SBI over here. Okay, SBI also, it's in a range, right? As you can see, it is in a range. So only if it closes below this level, we are going to take an entry, and this can be considered as the first target. Okay, 1.5% target is enough for entry. You can consider this as the first target, this level as your second target. For upside, I'm not going to recommend any trade upside before it closes above this level. So this is a big gap. So no trading for tomorrow for upside in SBI. Only if it closes below this level, I think a short trade looks beautiful in this one. Moving on to the next one, we have HDFC. Okay, HDFC, as you can see, what pattern is this? A shoulder, a head, another shoulder, right? So again, I'm only going to tell you for short side here. Once it closes below this level, I think a short entry can be taken. This level looks good, but I think it's too big. Over 2% is okay. I think gap will only even if you're safe to take and enter below this level, you can consider this level as a target. This looks beautiful for a target. Okay, beautiful level. So this is it for the analysis, guys. I have shared 10 stock that you can trade for intraday. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.